Filming?
Yeah.
Right.
It was filming over there. And you guys made me walk over here.
Well, you need it.
Because you're so fat.
Now that we're over here, we're out at 5 Mile for our trail cleanup day. We've got a few friends that have showed up. We've got a good mixture. We've got a Bronco, a few Jeeps, F-150, Land Cruiser, Tacoma. So we got a good mixture. It'll be a fun day. It's been raining, so it's a little bit slick, but not too bad. Weather's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. This is the Tacoma that Ben and I are going to build this year. We're going to try to get it done before Trail Hero. This is kind of our introduction with it, so we're going to use it to do the cleanup. And otherwise, Ben's got his Land Cruiser. We got Mom's Montero, and Lunchbox has his blue Ford F-150. Other than that, the rest are fans that showed up. We had a really good turnout. I was actually really happy to see so many people here. So thanks to everybody for coming and helping us clean up the trails, and you guys enjoy the show.
We'll film what we remember along the way, so hopefully it's entertaining enough.
Hopefully Lunchbox falls at least once.
I'm not getting out.
Pressure's sitting at 10.
Oh, you're pretty good. It's over 2. You're fine.
Howdy.
Back up about 3 feet. I know. I went slow.
Lockers on?
That's cool. Right up out of the ground.
Yeah, we're gonna need to take slow turns on this hill. They've got them at the bottom still.
Well, that was a successful trail ride, trail cleanup day. We ended up picking up actually a lot of trash.
Let's show them real quick. This isn't everybody's trash because this is just what we picked up and threw in the truck. But so far, we have quite a bit. Plus there's a full trash can in that Bronco he took home. And then the Jeep had some trash in it. And the other white Jeep had some trash in it.
Yeah, so
Definitely a decent amount of trash.
each vehicle had a trash bag. That's just some of it. But it was a fun day. It was a little bit muddy, which made it funner. When it's dry, some of those roads are a little bit boring, but when it's muddy, it's a little bit funner.
The Yoda did it still. She's been all over every trail I can think of in this state. But, T, why'd you do that?
It just wanted to check out the nasty dog. Look at that. You look dead. Are you dead? You look dead. No. Heck no. You nasty.
Here, I'll rub all my mud off my feet on you too. It'll match. Yeah. So she might as well get belly rubs.
We're going to try and be doing this every month that we can. We'll try and pick different trails all over the place.
If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments on any of our videos. We read all the comments and we'd love any suggestions. We'd love to know where you guys want to go. We're okay with traveling a little bit. The first couple ones are probably going to have to be kind of around here, around Utah County. I was thinking next month, Skyline Drive down in, or Starvation Canyon.
Yeah, anywhere around there.
Both of them are off Highway 6. Skyline goes all the way from, I think, south of Ephraim all the way to north of Bountiful. But Starvation Canyon was a fun one. We did a couple recoveries out there. That'd be a good one to do. Let us know what you think. Throw them in the comments if you guys have any trails that you want to do. We love to keep things clean. We love to get out and take care of the trails and meet new people. So come and join us.
Yep.
It was a lot of fun.
Have a good one.
Thanks for watching.